Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Bitcoin, take a look at what's going on in the markets, because we are seeing some interesting moves coming off of a very, very large move to the upside. So without further ado, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. We're getting closer and closer to 15K. Let's hop in. So guys, right now, Bitcoin is trading at $61,846. There's a little bit of volatility. The market opened not too long ago. We're starting to see some swift moves to the upside, to the downside, kind of playing with if we're going to be breaking even today or not. Thursdays usually are the most bearish days out of all trading days, so keep that in mind. However, even if we have a daily candle close to the downside today, I mean, guys, we are up such a significant amount on the week. It's incredible. This rally has been absolutely insane. But all in all here, guys, Bitcoin's trading sideways, finding its footing here. And also, some of these altcoins are starting to get some love since Bitcoin is starting to trade sideways. Solana came up to, I think, like $130 so far. I'm still in a nice position on Solana. I have a nice long open. Excited to take some profit, but not just yet. We're going to see how this market plays out here. But all in all here, guys, be prepared for Bitcoin dominance to increase its way up towards the halving. The halving is getting closer and closer. Right now, when you exclude stablecoins, we're sitting at about 54.5%. There's a lot of volatility coming back to this market. I mean, I think just yesterday we were at about 55%, so we're down about a half a percentile on Bitcoin dominance, which is a pretty significant move in a time span of a day. But let's take a look at Bitcoin, guys, because Bitcoin has some interesting things to say. Guys, we are 7 hours and 16 minutes away from a monthly candle close, and I'm very, very curious to see how this plays out. Usually March is a non-event month. Usually, so out of the past 14 Marches, 7 of them have been bearish and 7 of them have been bullish. So that being said, what do you guys think? You think we're going to be going to the upside? I'm going to say probably, or we're going to find a little bit of sideways price action, hopefully above the price level of $60,000. I don't really want to see a move to below 60,000 on the monthly candles, but all in all, we should be really looking at the daily and weeklies. But for the monthly candles, 61,000, guys. Can we get a monthly candle close above 61,000? If that happens, it's going to be very interesting to see how that plays out. But so over on the weekly, it's kind of telling a better story here. We don't want to see any closes below about 57,000. I want to see weekly candle closes above 57,000, which is in about 3 days and 8 hours. Sure, we can have some wicks that come down below that, but in the short term, then validation in my mind is if we come and start to break down and get weekly candle closes below that 57,000, and probably we could still bounce off of that, but really the price target I'm looking at is mainly 51,000 and maybe even a little bit lower, 48. That would be a deviation in this market structure that I don't really want to see. But all in all here, guys, I think up for longer. I know it sounds ridiculous, even though we've had such a massive rally and it's getting crazier and crazier by the day, but I really believe that it's probably just up for longer. And I know that sounds ridiculous, but it's about that time. It's about that time. Where we are at in the 4-year cycle, where we're at with the overall macroeconomics of the world. There's talks of a rate cut. There's an election year. Money is still being printed. There's high inflation. It's a interesting time. Interesting time. We'll probably see this continue out. I didn't even say it. The ETFs, guys. The ETFs are insane. And there's some of these other institutions that are basically FOMOing in right now to be a part of these ETFs, to be a part of Bitcoin. And there's talk about the Ethereum spot ETF getting approved because of the success of the Bitcoin spot ETF. Lots of hype coming in the market. I'm seeing some euphoria. And I do want to talk about that a little bit because a couple weeks ago, I said that I felt optimism in the market before we made this large impulse wave to the upside. I think I said it around 45,000, somewhere around that area. I said, I'm seeing optimism in the market as we were breaking up off of the $38,000 drawdown off of the sell the news event on the Bitcoin spot ETF approval. I was saying I was seeing optimism in the market as we were curling back up. We broke above 45,000. I said, okay, there's optimism. Well, in the snap of a finger, off of that optimism, I'm starting to see not only hope, but I'm seeing euphoria. I know I don't want to say it because usually that's an indication that we're going to spill over, but I am seeing some euphoria. Definitely seeing some of it, but I also want to say, just because we're seeing it, doesn't mean it just will go away immediately, that we're going to spill over immediately. People need to be euphoric. People need to get the people that aren't involved in crypto to join from their euphoria. We can stay euphoric for a little while. We can stay euphoric for an extended period of time before we have a substantial pullback. So I'm not really worried just yet. I've been raising my stop losses on my open longs. I've been taking some profits out of some meme coins. Nothing crazy. Not taking like 50% of the position out or anything like that, but just taking some profits, taking initial investments out, just in case, to play it safe, hedging my bets. But in my opinion, higher for longer, guys. Higher for longer. Over on the daily, you can kind of see a little better depiction, a closer look at where we're at here. Daily candle closes above 60,000, bullish. Daily candle closes above really 58,000. It's bullish. So it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good, guys. But if you like this type of content, you like these quick updates, please like this video. Subscribe to the channel right now. Check out some awesome referral links we have down below. We have a $4,100 sign-up bonus to Femex, a great leverage trading site. That's where CryptoKip and I love to do our leverage trades on. It's a very nice exchange. All you got to do is click the link, deposit, open a trade a little bit, get a bunch of free money. Also, please go follow me on Twitter at 333Blacksea. Very active over there. Going to be doing some giveaways really soon. Excited about that. That's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.